Welcome guys, today's video review of the top 5 best yoga mat bags. If you are looking for the best yoga mat bags, you are in the right place. There are many products available to choose from the best yoga mat bags, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 best yoga mat bags reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kindfolk Yoga Mat Duffle Bag. We chose Kindfolk's Yoga Mat Duffle Bag as our top pick because it has a large main compartment with space for multiple yoga mats, sneakers, a change of clothes, and more. Oversized and compartmentalized, the chic duffel can double as a weekend for longer trips and traveling. Thanks to its canvas exterior, this bag is easy to wash. Simply use a washcloth, cold water, and dish soap. However, we think the highlight of the brand is that for each bag sold, Kindfolk donates $1 to one of 3 non-profits: A21, Girls Empowerment Network, or Nicole's Place, which are focused on human trafficking, empowerment, and safe havens, respectively. Number 2. Ewedoos Yoga Mat Bag. Bucket bags aren't just trendy, they're also great for carrying yoga mats. Like all bucket bags, this Ewedoos Yoga Mat Bag features a wide, round opening that makes storing and carrying a yoga mat a breeze. We also love that the bag is equipped with 2 front pockets, a large, deep one for a water bottle and towel, and a more secure, zippered one for essentials like cash, an ID, and keys. Its wide strap is designed to comfortably sit on your shoulder. Its canvas exterior comes in 6 vibrant hues, one of which is sure to fit your personal style. Number 3. Manduka Go Play Yoga Mat Carrier. Most yoga mat straps can only hold a yoga mat. But because Manduka's Go Play Yoga Mat Carrier is lined with a zipper, weather-resistant pouch, it can also hold everyday staples, like a phone, keys, money, and a pair of sunglasses. Made of water-resistant polyester, we love that the bag is durable and easy to clean, though the brand recommends spot cleaning over machine washing. And thanks to its quick-release buckles and adjustable straps, it's designed to hold mats of any size. Number 4. Aurorae Yoga Mat Bag. Convenient to carry and easy to pack, Aurora's Yoga Mat Bag is a great option for commuters. The Sling backpack has a large inner compartment, a small zipper pocket, a mesh water bottle holder, and a mesh yoga mat holder. This yoga mat holder is tucked underneath 2 adjustable straps, which you can use to keep your yoga mat secure while on the go. We love that the bag's crossbody strap is double reinforced for comfort, and it's lined with helpful storage features, like a built-in key ring and smartphone-friendly mesh pocket. The durable bag is made of heavy-duty polyester, and it's currently available in 6 colorways. Number 5. Uhawi Yoga Mat Sling Carrier. Uhawi's Yoga Mat Sling Carrier is a spacious bag and a yoga mat strap in one. The tote's roomy center compartment can hold 2 yoga mats, plus a handful of other accessories. The bag also comes with 2 open pockets, 2 zipper pockets, and a cinched water bottle sleeve, all of which are great for small essentials. The bag also comes with a yoga mat strap, which you can tuck inside the tote or use on its own. And because it's made of durable, high-quality canvas, we love that you can toss it in the washing machine without giving it a second thought. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.